Hello, and welcome back to Tech Talk with Murty. I'm your host, Murty, bringing you the latest in technology and its real-world applications. Today, we're diving into a tool that's quickly becoming a must-have for professionals, students, and just about anyone dealing with information overload: AI summarizing tools. Joining me to unpack this fascinating topic are two brilliant guests. First, we have Ryan, an expert in AI applications and a go-to authority on leveraging AI for productivity. Welcome, Ryan.
Thank you, Murty. It's great to be here.
And joining Ryan, we have Sonia, a budding virtual assistant who's been exploring AI summarizing tools to enhance her workflows. Hi, Sonia.
Hi, Murty. Excited to be part of the conversation today.
Fantastic. Let's jump straight in. Ryan, for those who might not be familiar, could you start by explaining what AI summarizing tools are and why they're becoming so popular?
Of course. AI summarizing tools are applications that use artificial intelligence to condense large volumes of text into shorter, more digestible summaries. They aim to extract the essence of the content, helping users save time and focus on the key points. These tools have gained popularity because we live in a world of information overload. Whether it's lengthy reports, articles, or even meeting transcripts, these tools provide a way to stay informed without spending hours reading.
That's brilliant. Sonia, as someone who's been using these tools, what's your experience been like?
It's been incredibly helpful, Murty. As a virtual assistant, I handle tasks like sifting through client emails, summarizing reports, and preparing meeting notes. Tools like ChatGPT, SummarizeBot, and Quillbot have made my work much faster. For instance, instead of reading a 20-page report, I can generate a concise summary in seconds and focus on the insights that matter.
Sounds like a real time saver. Ryan, what types of AI summarizing tools are out there? Are they all the same?
Not at all, Murty. There are broadly two categories. First, there are extractive summarizing tools, which identify and pull out the most important sentences or phrases from the text. Then, there are abstractive summarizing tools, which generate a new summary in natural language based on the original content. The latter is more advanced and closer to how humans summarize, but it also requires more computational power and might occasionally miss nuances.
Fascinating distinction. Sonia, have you found any particular tools or features especially useful?
Absolutely. Some tools like Notion AI and Otter.ai stand out because they're integrated into productivity platforms. I love how they can summarize meeting transcripts or even voice recordings instantly. Another great feature is customization. You can specify whether you want bullet points, executive summaries, or even action items.
That's incredibly practical. But let's address the elephant in the room. Are there any challenges or limitations with these tools, Ryan?
Yes, there are a few, Murty. One common issue is accuracy. While these tools are improving, they might occasionally miss context or misinterpret nuances, especially in highly technical or emotional content. Another concern is bias. AI can inadvertently emphasize certain points based on how it's been trained. Users should treat these summaries as a starting point, not a substitute for critical reading.
Good point. Sonia, have you faced any challenges in your day-to-day use?
Yes, occasionally. For example, when dealing with creative or opinion-based content like blogs, the summary might miss the tone or intent of the writer. Also, there's a bit of a learning curve to figure out which tool works best for specific tasks. But once you get the hang of it, the time saved is worth it.
That's insightful. Ryan, before we wrap up, could you share any advice for listeners interested in trying these tools?
Certainly. Start with free versions of popular tools to see what suits your needs. If you deal with sensitive information, ensure the tool complies with privacy standards. Finally, pair the summaries with your judgment. AI is here to assist, not replace human decision-making.
Excellent advice. Sonia, any final words from you?
Just that these tools are a game changer, but like Ryan said, it's important to review and refine the summaries to match your specific needs.
Thank you, Sonia and Ryan, for sharing your expertise. This has been an eye-opening discussion. That's all for today on Tech Talk with Murty. If you're feeling overwhelmed by endless reading, consider giving AI summarizing tools a try. They might just transform the way you work. Don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and share your thoughts with us. Until next time, stay curious and tech savvy.